Fiscatech represents the perfect match, able to guarantee the excellence of made-in-Italy products. Innovation, quality, research, diversified and comprehensive market approach, great attention to service were always the strong basis of the philosophy of the President Achille Costamagna, who after 50 years is still the driving force for both commitment, dedication, and enthusiasm of the technical, industrial, and commercial development of Sogetec and Fiscagomma. All of the materials guarantee high standards of quality and safety for the environment, human health, and animal world, and can be waterproof, breathable, solvent-free through implementation of special production process and specific production lines and methods, and reach regulation on harmful substances. Innovation, creativity, technology, and professionalism are principles around which all the dynamic Fiscatech management moves and develops strategies. A working philosophy uniting in close synergy the general management with R&D, marketing, sales, and production teams. At Fiscatech, innovation means creativity, knowledge, quality assurance, together with and so to grant customer attention and service. In the same way, it also means market analysis, meant to be ahead and all over new trends and needs, so to anticipate, create, and satisfy them with successful 100% made-in-Italy products. All Fiscatech materials are developed and manufactured completely in a fully integrated in-house structure, so to grant control on all production steps, starting with the raw materials up to the finished articles. Also worth mentioning are the achieved certifications, such as Uni-N ISO 9001-2008, Uni-N ISO 14001-2004, and BSO SAS 18001-2007, granting high quality and safety standards with significant attention to both the environment and workforce health. Fiscatech's ethical guarantee: clean energy is provided by photovoltaic installations, so reducing CO2 emissions, sewage treatment installation and water recycling, significant attention to the workforce safety operational training, selection of suppliers based on criteria of environmental sustainability. Fiscatech, life at the beginning.